guys, so today I'm going to instruct you on how you are going to join the breakout group in Google Classroom. So maybe we will be using this one if we have a grouping activity or group activity I should say, and you just need to follow the simple instruction that I'm going to show you right now. So let's take this as an example. This is the class for Matayom 2. So I put already a link where you're going to get the breakout group link. So you just click the classroom and then click that one. Click the Google slide. Then you will come up to this one. If in case you are going to open this one and there is like an option on top, like how are you going to open the slide. So there you just click the drop icon and then you will see there open with slide. That is the link that you need to click. You know already your student's number, so I just randomly group you. I didn't pick who are your friends to be with, so it's just there. Now if you are number 1, so you just click this icon, then you will go to group number 1. Okay, so you just join them. Okay, just click this as to join, then automatic you will go there. Group number 2. So if you are group number 2, you just click this one. Don't join a group where you should not be joining. Your real group. So before clicking anything on this icon, you please check first which specific group you belong. Okay, so once you are there, I advise you to mute your audio to avoid the echo, because you just leave your group from the main meeting or from the main conference that we had. So you don't need to leave that group. You can just mute that one and then turn off the video, but you don't need to leave because we will be meeting all in there. So that is our gathering conference. But in this one, these are intended for your groupings. Okay? I hope I make myself clear in here.